Alright folks, apologise for my voice because I'm not feeling very well today, but I've got this parcel from Kyamsil Designs. It's an order I placed at the weekend. It's arrived today. It's mostly wheels because that's what I like getting from Fran at Kyamsil Designs, wheels. He does very, very good wheels and tyres. It's got like a wheel and tyre sort of buying thingamajig. What's it called? I can't remember what it's called. I'll remember in a second though. It'll be like one of those things that pops into my head after I've finished thinking about it. So yeah, so lots of different wheels, dualies, fat ones, normal size ones, big ones, and standard size ones. I've got quite a lot of these wheels. Every time I make an order with something from him, I always pick up a load of wheels because with the wheel picker and the way it works on the website, you're guaranteed to get the right hubs for the right wheels. So what he does is writes on the bag what each one is. So you've got W0118 for example, W02, W10, W11, and then on this dual you've got W06, W07. So then you find a tyre 06, tyre 07, and that's how that works. There we go. No, it's not. I'm talking rubbish. So you get slim, fat ones. So these are for dual wheels, which are these. One set and another set there. And you got your fat ones here, T09s. Your fat. Which are other fat ones here as well, but not fat because obviously they've got deep tyres as well as deep get the brain working in a second, don't we? It's been one of those days. Yeah, those are the fat ones there. That's one of his front guards that he makes. And then some dual wheels. That's one of his flames as well. And some standard wheels on this. And then on Elvis, I've got some truck style hubs with a wide wheel, and the same on the front with a slightly narrower wheel. In here though, some energy weapons. And then here is some fuel bits and bobs, and that's settling tanks and stuff like that. Some fuel drums, Man Max style fuel tanks, propane tanks, jerry cans, a welding rig, which is nice, like in a little cart. And then this one are the modular energy weapons. Get my snips and cut all these off. Cut all this off and I'll be back. Here we go, folks. Had one little boo-boo and I managed to snap a piece. That's my own fault. Because I'm ham-fisted. So 8 bases, 8 tips. I've broken one of the tips. Never break your tip. And you can just mix and match rail guns and stuff like that, which I like. This is cool. So that's probably meant to go that way around. And it's the same with the flamethrowers. You mix and match the back on the front, and the machine guns as well, which I think is really, really good. Fran at Kyamsil Designs is one of the people that I spoke to when I first started printing my own stuff. First thought about printing my own stuff, and he gave me loads of advice and tips and stuff being modular. His stuff being modular is an inspiration for why I made my stuff modular, because there's more scope having modularity to it. So that's why I've tried to make all my stuff as modular as possible as well. And it tends to be what I do going forward, is to make stuff modular. But yeah, so you can also do crazy things like add two bits together. These are just really, really well designed. I love them. So I had to get a set. This review unboxing video has been a long time coming. I had made a review / unboxing video, and then I changed phones, and in the process of changing phones, lost everything, including the video. So there we go. So I had to make another order. Oh no. Which doesn't really bother me the slightest, because I'm always after bits. But yeah, so this will be a little bit different because I'm not going to do any builds at the moment. I've got some builds I've shown you already. I've got some finished stuff. Just know that the stuff that Fran makes is really, really good. The quality comes out really, really nice. Say this is the texture on the wheels and the tread. I would never design wheels or try and design wheels and stuff. I don't think I've got the skill, and I don't think there's any point when there's stuff like this out there. Like by Fran. There's a few other people who make wheels as well that are really, really good. There's some free files, for example, the tread on that is amazing. I have no idea how he does that. So yeah, everyone fits in a certain little niche area. His stuff is incredibly well. It's just intricate, and it looks really, really good. And I've been using his stuff for yonks, and I will continue to, even though I make my own stuff. I'd still use other people's stuff if I think there's quality to it, and there's quality to this. There's been a few review videos about the Kyamsil Designs stuff that have said it's good stuff, and I agree. Even his engine bits. So these are two 32 Ford engines on here, and these are little scoops he makes. It just works so well. MG's not his. It's a North Star one, but the MG magazine, like the box, ammo box, is a Kyamsil Designs one again as well. It just, yeah, his stuff just works, and that's what I like about it. It's a fairly short little video, this. Also, I'm not feeling very well at the moment. I've got some new medication, so it's doing me in. But I thought I'd get this video sorted and out as I had a delivery from him. I'll put some pictures up at the end of some builds I've done with his stuff. I'll dig them out so you can all see, because he does loads of different bits. Right, and he's a decent chap as well, and that's what really matters, I think. Sometimes he didn't have to tell me or help me with printers or anything like that. There's a couple of really good people out there that have helped me, and they know who they are, because I talk to them every day still. Fran, I don't talk to as much as I could. I think that's probably my fault. Yeah, thanks for watching.